Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Daryakam School online class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. I hope you are all doing well. Today we will go over some practice questions for our understanding of concepts. Today we will solve question number 6 and 7 on notebook exercise 7b. Number 124. Okay students, before starting our topic, tell me, what is complementary angle? Yes, what is supplementary angle? Yes, right. As you know, complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees, while supplementary angle add up to 180 degrees. Alright, let's start with question 6, where we need to find the complementary angle for each given angle. Remember, if two angles are complementary, their sum must be equal to 90 degree. So, we will subtract the given angle from 90 degrees to find the missing angle, which we will call x. Open your maths book and notebook. Book page number is 124. Exercise 7b. Look at the question number 6. In part A, we have an angle of 35 degrees. To find the complementary angle x. You know, in complementary angle, the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. So, from figure, we write the sum of angles which is equal to 90 degree. In a figure, two angles are given, x degree and 35 degree. The sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree. We have to need value of x. So the other angle will be shifted to the right side. After subtraction, you will get x degree is equal to 55 degree. So the complementary angle is 55 degree. Next in B part, two angles are given. We have to find the value of x degree. The sum of the two angles from figure is equal to 90 degree. We have to need the value of x. So the other angle will be shifted to right side. After subtraction, you will get x degree is equal to 70 degree. So here the complementary angle is 70 degree. You will solve C part on your notebook. Look at question number 7. Find the value of y. In A part, two angles are given. One is unknown and one is known. We have to find the value of y. You know the supplementary angle, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So from figure, these two angles, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. You have to find the value of y. The other term will be shifted at right side. After subtraction, you will get y is equal to 136 degree. So the supplementary angle is 136 degree. Look at B part. In the figure, one angle is y which is unknown and 150 angle is known. The sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree in supplementary angle. So from figure, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. You have to need to find the value of y. So the other angle will be shifted at right side. After subtraction, you will get y is equal to 30 degree, which is a supplementary angle. You will solve part C, D and F on your notebook. Okay student, with practice, these calculations will become super easy for you. Allah Hafiz.